wise is July 1st, 2022. So there I got a call from a guy. I was there about a 3 weeks ago, I guess, and I had an air handler up in the attic with a heat strip kit on it, and there was a problem with the control board. I wiggled the wires around and the thing fired up. He's calling me back, his AC's not working again, so I did call in, and I got another board. I gotta go pick it up and swap that board out. Like a 20-year-old unit. But the system's still working okay, and he wants to swap the board out. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put another board in it. He's got a straight AC outside, but it's got a a heat pump type of air handler inside that has heat strips. So that's what they're using for heat. They're running electric heat in the winter time on that thing. Heat strips. So that's how it's set up, and just going to change the control board on it. Hopefully that takes care of the issue. We'll find out. New board's going in anyway, because the other one was, I just wiggled the low voltage wires and it fired right up. It was good for maybe, I don't know, 3-4 weeks maybe. And it's acting up again, so. I did check the capacitor last time I was there. It's kind of a weird area up there. There's just like studs. There's no wood or nothing to stand on. So I brought some extra wood, 2x4s, in case I need it. And he's got it calling up there, but it's not running. So. I brought some extra boards here because these flipping things are too short. I don't want to ruin the guy's flipping ceiling here, so I brought some extra 2x4s I could kneel on. Something like that, give me a nice base to kneel on. This has to. I gotta shut this off, take this cover off. The board's bad. I got the board right here. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. Last time I was here, I moved around the wires on a board and she fired right up, so. He's got it, supposedly he's got it calling downstairs on the thermostat, nothing's running, same shit. Hopefully I got the right board here. I should have it. This is a electric heat. It's kind of odd. You can see the board there. I gotta oh, that's a big ass board. That's a big board. Hopefully I can get it out of there. Crazy. Without zapping myself. Sure. You can see that spot on that board right there that's burnt. See it? No problem. Let me get the new board in there and check the wires out. Not easy. Not easy being cheesy, Mom. I got the new board in there. You can see the other one. She's cooked right there. It's cooked. So I hooked up the wires the same. I should be able to turn it on and this should fire up. The old big pen trick. Get that board off of there. Alright, replace main control board. Let's see what happens. In Houston, we have ignition. I'm probably going to leave these 2x4s here. If I ever have to work up here, I mean, it sucks. See, with these 2x4s, and I could put these other ones that he had, but these other ones are too short to go across this way, and I don't want to blow the ceiling out, so that's it. I needed a new board. Yeah. Cooling, automatic. Set for 70, 77. What do you want the AC set for? Hello? What do you want it set for?
It's working, Steve?
Yeah, what do you want it set for? It's 70, it's 73 in here. You want me to lower it?
No, 70, 70.
70?
Yeah, 70.
Okay.
Yeah, 70. It's too hot there, I believe it, yeah.
You want it at 70?
Yeah, 70, yeah, please.
Okay.
Or maybe 69.
Nah, I think 70's good. Alright, so it's set for 70. Yeah, the board was definitely bad. It's got a burnt spot in the back. I'll show you when I bring it down.
Okay.
Yeah, this thing seems to be okay. She's complaining about it's making noise. Seems to be okay. That's just the fan. This is another one that she's complaining about. Here's the one for the second floor that I was working on. Nice and hot coming out. She's sweating good. This one's charges fine on this one. I don't think this is a heat pump. This is definitely not a heat pump. Now this is what happens when you put coil cleaner on a unit. You don't rinse it off. See all that white shit on there? That's what happens when you put coil cleaner and you don't rinse it off. Look at that. Really bad. Not good.